Okay, class, who thinks they know the answer?
I do! It's 2, right?
We've got a genius! Now, can you tell me what this says?
It's 2, right?
Nope, it says big ass, you dummy.
I realized something just now! Every single time I meet a girl, she ends up trying to murder me! Everybody's after my chainsaw heart! What about my heart? Denji's heart! Does nobody want that? Ah!